Hey guys, it's me here, Faith the Slimer Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a special guest and it's Natalie. Yep, it's Natalie, and today we're going to be doing the slime smoothie challenge. The way this challenge works is, sorry about that, you guys. One person is blindfolded, the other one has to give him a slime, and the blindfolded one has to try and guess what color the slime is. So, let's get started. This one, you don't have to show me all of them. Okay. Ready? Go. Yellow. Yes. Okay, do you want to keep it or put it in the slime smoothie? I want to keep it. Okay, my turn. Okay, wait, I have to open these two.
I'll look back.
Okay, I'm gonna give her the yellow jiggly one. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you want to mix it?
Yep.
Okay.
Time to put it in the slime smoothie. Why is it so liquidy?
Because it's my recipe slime. And you have to use 2 tablespoons of water. Okay.
Pretty good for your own recipe. Why are you smelling it?
Because
Good thing we didn't do your other ones because one of them was scented, so you'd automatically know what that was.
I really like the slime. Clear. Darn it.
Time to put it in.
It was yours anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to mix it at the end.
No, it wasn't. We just made all of them. Okay. Anyway, your turn. Close your eyes.
No, it's your turn.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna keep it. And if you guess it right, you get to keep it, even if it's my slime. Same for the other way around.
Mm-hmm. Pody slime.
Okay, you can keep it or put it in the slime smoothie. Which one?
I'm going to put it in a slime smoothie to give it some sprinkles.
Alright, so
Okay.
there's our slime smoothie, guys.
Okay, you ready? Close your eyes.
Avalanche.
Nope.
Oh no, this is my favorite one. Okay.
Put it in the slime smoothie.
Let's put it right there.
This is our slime smoothie. We'll mix it all together at the end.
Yep. Okay.
I'm ready. I don't know why, but I'm not keeping it. Glow slime. Ooh. It's mine, but I'm going to put it in the slime smoothie anyway.
Alright, there it is.
Okay, your turn.
Bling.
Dang it.
You can feel it by the gems.
Alright,
I love this bling slime so much.
are you going to put it in the slime smoothie or not?
But I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, this is our slime smoothie.
Here's the back.
You can like see it in the back. Okay, your turn to close your eyes? Or
Your
mine?
turn.
No, it's mine. The Easter Bunny slime. The white one with sparkles.
Yeah. Can you please keep that one? That's my favorite.
I'm gonna keep that one because I like this one too. I'm
Can
not
we
giving
split
it to
in
you.
half?
Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Look at her face right now. I said we'll see.
Ellie.
You still have a chance. No.
Well, I just know which one it is.
Yep, it's the avalanche
A
one.
beautiful avalanche. And we are gonna mix it. You guys better hit that like button before we mix it all together.
Ooh, it makes
pretty.
like a mermaid color. Dark purple. I'm gonna put some white in there.
The purple is really taking over.
Yeah, I'm gonna put foam bead in there.
There was already-
Now mix it in there.
No.
Okay, let's mix it together. Split it in half here.
Okay.
Ooh, I got the party one. Ha.
Whatever.
Ooh, it's all pokey now. Oh, it's all pokey. Ooh, look at that.
What color do you think it's gonna turn? Hers is like a greenish. Mine is like an orange.
And then we have to mix those two together. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, let's mix them. This was mine color. Mine's turned out green.
This is mine.
I didn't mix it all the way.
Mine
It has
is
party in it
kind
because
of- mine is like a peach pink color. Okay.
okay.
All right. This is a little bit stiff, so Natalie, can you get the lotion?
Yep. I can't push it now. Okay, I got it.
Okay. All right. What color do you guys think it's gonna turn?
Brown.
I think it's gonna turn like a grayish brown poop color.
A grayish brown poop color. Wow, very creative. Let's put some glitter in there.
No.
Just a little.
Okay.
This has glitter on it, so I'm trying to tap it off.
This is
It's
the
not
only
like that.
slime that we saved. This one, and then the purple avalanche one.
And then the Easter one.
Yeah.
I'm mixing it. It's a kind of brownish, and it feels really hard. See, it's breaking. No, it's not. Yeah,
Okay.
it's very stiff. This is the color it turned out. It's not very pretty.
Hey, I told you it would be
pretty.
a grayish brownish poop color
Why did you split this in half? Why did you
because
take
it's
some?
mine, so I can.
Fine. Still get some from that. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want Natalie and more videos. Bye.